Hi, and welcome to today's lecture. So today's short lecture will cover how to subset data in R. Let's start by opening R and then creating a new script. Make sure to save the script as you're working, but first we'll start by opening our dataset. So select this line and then hit either the F5 button or run line. So now we've run the line. Let's head up the dataset to see what we've imported. So we see we've imported our concentration time dataset. Let's see how many unique subjects we have in this dataset. We can do this using the function unique. And then data $subject. Okay. So here we can see we have 18 subjects from 1 to the number 18. Let's say we want to look at a subset of subjects. Let's say we want to look at only subject 12. So we can use a subsetting function where we call the data, and the first portion of the subsetting function will tell R what rows to select. So we want to select data $subject equals 12 and include all columns. The second argument will define what columns in the data set will be selected. If we leave it blank, then all columns will be selected. So let's run this line. And here we can see that the data pulled up all of subject 12's data in that. Okay, so let's say we want to look at all subject numbers where the subject number is greater than or equal to 12. We can easily update this by changing the statement to greater than or equal to 12. Let's see what happens. Okay. So now you can see that we have included all data where the subject number was greater than or equal to 12. Let's suppose we want to look at all subjects' data where subject numbers are greater than 12. We can simply remove this for. So we will have all columns presented again. Okay. So now we have all columns presented where subject number is greater than or equal to 12. Okay. So now let's say we want to only include time point pre-dose where subject numbers are greater than or equal to 12. We can simply add that in to the subsetting function here using an and data $time equals pre-dose. Let's run this line and see what we get. Okay, so now we see that we have subject numbers where subjects are between 12 and 18 and all time points selected are pre-dose. We can also use the OR function using the pipe symbol. So what if we want to include all subjects that are greater than or equal to 12 or subjects less than 10? Okay, let's run this line. Okay, so now you can see that we have subjects from 1 to 9 and then greater than 12. So here are a few rules for using the subsetting function in R. Hopefully this is useful to you, and let us know if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover. So thank you for watching, and I hope these tips were useful to you. Please let us know if there are any other tips and tricks you'd like us to cover in the future.